Food My Dreams presents a recipe for zucchini vegetable waffles. Take one medium-sized zucchini or courgette and trim off the flowers. Next, grate it coarsely. Squeeze out the excess juice and transfer it to a sieve for approximately 30-40 minutes. We need to get rid of the extra liquid because the less liquid we have, the less flour we'll need to add. Less flour means fewer calories and more benefits. Under no circumstances should you salt the zucchini until it's fully cooked, as it will release its juices during shaping and frying, causing them to fall apart. In a large bowl where we will mix everything, add your favorite finely chopped herbs. The herbs will not only add an extraordinary taste and aroma, but also decorate our pancakes with a beautiful green color. And of course, it's incredibly beneficial. Take a large-sized chicken egg that has been previously washed and beat it until it becomes a homogeneous mixture. Take about 30 grams of your favorite cheese and cut it into small cubes. The cheese will add an incredibly delicate, creamy taste and a special aroma. Also, add a handful of finely chopped walnuts to the pancakes. They will allow the flavors to unfold in a new way, adding refinement to what seems like a simple dish. After 40 minutes have passed, return to your zucchini. As you can see, it has released enough liquid and is ready to be mixed with the other ingredients. Add it to the rest of the ingredients and mix well, ensuring all the ingredients are thoroughly combined. Add the beaten egg in 2 stages, thoroughly mixing each time. When the egg is fully incorporated, begin adding flour. I use 3 tablespoons, but pay attention to the consistency. As soon as you see that you can shape the patties, you don't need any more flour. Add the flour gradually, 1 spoon at a time, mixing after each addition. The key is not to overdo it, as too much flour will make the batter dense and add unnecessary calories. Place our zucchini batter into a preheated waffle iron. Close it and bake for about 5-7 minutes. The waffles are ready. They turn out not only delicious but also very healthy since they are prepared without oil. You can garnish the waffles with sour cream and herbs. They are best served cold. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more delicious and healthy recipes. See you next time on the Food My Dreams channel, where you'll find a huge variety of tasty and beneficial recipes.